Hey, good morning. I'm Mike Jordan with Utopia. You found your way to a series of sessions called Coffee with Mike, where we discuss asset master data quality. Now, for the last few mornings, we've been discussing how to build the business case for asset master data quality. Everybody agrees it'd be nice, but justifying budget is a different matter. We've discussed maintenance productivity, improving a maintenance worker's wrench time so that he can do more productive work during the course of the day. The second aspect of the business case builds upon wrench time. If a maintenance guy can do productive maintenance work a larger percent of his day, he gets repairs done more quickly. With repairs done quickly, this is all, if you saw that previous session, we do that by getting accurate maintenance data to him, giving him the right maintenance plans, maintenance task lists, giving him the right bills and materials so that he has the right spare parts when he goes to do the work on the first time. When we improve maintenance productivity, we reduce mean time to repair. He gets things done quicker. As a result, asset availability goes up. It's a follow-on to the earlier business case, but maintenance productivity, asset availability are separate metrics that move in parallel that give you the business case for asset master data quality. And this plays straight to the bottom line. If you have improved asset availability, you have greater operational effectiveness, operational efficiency with your assets, driving straight to the business case that you need for asset master data quality. Now, we'll talk about other aspects of that business case in other breakfast sessions. And I can tell you that in combination, the business impact is significant. As we do these studies, we have a team of folks called Strategic Value Management that will work with you to build your business case. And the ROI almost always comes out under 1 year. So the business case is compelling, and we'll walk through several aspects of it. So far, we've talked maintenance productivity, asset availability. We'll keep going from there. Thanks for taking a bit of time over coffee. And I invite you to drop me a note. Send me a suggestion for a topic or send me a different point of view, and we'll carry on with a bit of coffee in the morning. Thanks for joining.